Hello and welcome to another video. Today I would like to introduce you to if statements in VBA. As always, when we want to use VBA, you have to have the developer tab enabled. And if you do not have that by now, at least on Mac, go to the function row, Excel, Preferences, Ribbon and Toolbar, and then check the developer tab right here. When you've done that, you should be able to access modules in VBA, and you do that by the Visual Basics button, and an empty module should pop up. If an empty module does not pop up, go to the function row again, Insert and Module. In this case, we would like to give the cell a different color depending on the value that's within. So therefore we will call the sub coloring. And in VBA, as in most if not all other programming languages, you have three conditional statements. You have if, elseif, and else. And we are going to use all three of them to get you the most comprehensive understanding of how they work. So let's jump right into it. Let's call if range, and the range in this case is b3 dot value is equal to 0. Then we would like to do something. And in this case, we would like to give the interior of the cell a different color. So we are using the same range b3. However, in this case, dot interior, as we are changing the inner color, dot color index, that is the method of applying colors. And in this case, we would like to apply the color yellow, which is 6 on the color index scale. After that, we will end the if function and see if it works. So we run the program and we can see the condition is met, the value is 0, and therefore the color is applied. If you want to know all the different colors in the color index tab, then you can just Google color index number VBA, and a table like this should pop up. You have 56 different colors, and this is, for me at least, the easiest way to applying colors very quickly. So now we have used the if statements, so we get already to the second condition, which is else if. An else if condition is met if the previous if statement is not met and the condition that we are going to write in a second is in fact met. So we can just copy, yes, we can just copy this part. However, in this case, we would like to give the cell a different color when the value is larger than 0. And we can copy this as well. By the way, indentation does nothing in VBA in terms of coding. It is just a way of simplifying your code and making it more visually appealing so it's easier to read. In this case, if the value is larger than 0, we would like to give it the color green. So it is, in this case, 4. And to see if it works, let's give the input cell a value of 5. Run the program, and as you can see, it works. With that, we already come to the last conditional statement, which is else. And an else statement is triggered if all the previous conditions are not met. So, because this is in itself already the condition, we don't need to specify it any further. We can just copy that part in here. And in this case, we would like to apply the color red. So what we are going to expect to happen here is if the number of the cell is neither 0 nor larger than 0, then, obviously it's lower than 0, and it should get the color red. So let's see if it works. So let's give it -4, just an arbitrary number, and run the program. And as you can see, the negative number is highlighted in the color red. From here on, you can do whatever you want with the program. You can personalize it in any way, shape, or form. I hope this gave you a better understanding of if statements in VBA, and if in fact it helped you, please consider liking and subscribing. But in any case, have a great week. Bye bye.